Happy New Year to you all. We hope you had a refreshing break and an enjoyable festive season. At ISA AfriCenter, we have a lot to celebrate from the year that was, but we also have a lot in store for you in 2024. Looking back at 2023, we're excited at the milestones that we have witnessed in Africa's biotechnology and biosafety landscape. So for instance, we have witnessed 5 crop regulatory approvals across 9 African countries. And we were really happy to see a country like Rwanda finally passing its biosafety law. And this excites us because we now know that we have an operating environment in Rwanda that is going to be able to support crops to transition from research to commercialization. In Kenya, we also put in a lot of work to try and see that we are finally able to plant the first national performance trials of GM cassava. A key highlight for us in 2023 was the Africa Biennial Biosciences Communication Symposium. We were able to convene close to 200 delegates comprising of policy and decision makers, regulators, researchers, media experts, farmers from over 23 countries to deliberate on whether communication is matching up with the evolution of genetic improvement tools in agriculture. The symposium proposed key recommendations that will play a fundamental role in informing communication and advocacy efforts on new breeding tools in Africa and world over. Our unique ability to convince stakeholders and build critical skills that contribute towards breaking silos enabled us to increase collaboration of One Health actors across 11 Eastern and Southern African countries. So these countries are working hard towards strengthening One Health governance and are using the advocacy skills that they acquired to try and embed One Health practice across society. Going into 2024, we're putting more efforts in empowering Africa's rich pool of early career scientists and bio-innovators with the skills they need to realize the socio-economic and commercial potential of their innovations through Afri-Bio-Hubs. These Afri-Bio-Hubs are going to serve as incubators with the aim of building the capacity for homegrown biosciences research and commercialization. To address the rising tide in misinformation, which is really affecting the uptake of key bio-innovation and also contributing to delaying important policy decisions, ISA AfriCenter developed a very inclusive and interactive portal that we have dubbed the Africa Science Dialogue Portal, which is going to play a fundamental role in providing factual and verifiable information on technologies in agriculture, health, and the environment. This African-led platform is expected to nurture Africa's bioeconomy for growth and prosperity. Leaning on our guiding principles of informing, inspiring, and transforming, we call on all like-minded partners to join hands as we strive to bridge the gap between science and society through one, knowledge sharing. And here we're looking to provide timely, relevant, and factual information on biosciences in simplified formats that suit our different target audiences. 2, strengthening linkages between journalists and scientists to amplify factual information that will contribute towards accelerating uptake of bio-innovations by farmers and end users. And 3, building the confidence of our policymakers for evidence-based decisions that will create an enabling environment which will play a fundamental role in transitioning our products from lab to market. Finally, ISA AfriCenter is repositioning itself in response to the evolving biosciences landscape. So a key offering for us will be unveiling our new strategic plan in 2024, so be on the lookout for that.